Learn Hindi future forms. Become, I will, you will in.
Hindi.
Welcome to tomorrow. Hey, you made it. Today you will learn how to talk about becoming things and doing things later in.
Hindi.
Without sounding like a confused time traveler. Our key words today are become,
बन्ना.
I will,
मैं करूँगा.
you will,
तुम करोगे.
he will,
वो करेगा.
she becomes,
वो बनती है.
it becomes,
ये बनता है.
we will,
हम करेंगे.
you all will,
तुम सब करोगे.
and they become.
वे बनते हैं.
If that feels like a lot, do not worry. Even a potato can learn this chapter, and one of them already wants to.
बनना.
A professor. The magic word become. Let's start with the superstar of change. If life is a makeover montage, this is your word. The English word become is.
बनना.
Say it slowly.
बनना.
I want to become a doctor. In Hindi.
मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ.
It is hard to become patient. In Hindi.
ध्यानवान बनना कठिन है.
Funny memory trick. A sleepy potato studies all night because it wants to.
बनना.
A professor. Terrible grades, excellent confidence. Important note, do not confuse.
बनना.
To become with.
बनाना.
To make. One changes into something, the other creates something. Very different. A cake can be made. Your cousin can become weird. I will and you will. Now you are stepping into the future. Put on your dramatic movie voice if you want. I will is.
मैं करूँगा.
Imagine pointing at yourself and boldly announcing.
मैं करूँगा.
Example, I will try again.
मैं फिर कोशिश करूँगा.
Example, I will help you.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा.
You will is.
तुम करोगे.
This is the phrase you say to encourage a friend, a student, or yourself in the mirror when coffee is not enough. Example, you will understand later.
तुम बाद में समझोगे.
Example, you will see the results soon.
तुम जल्द परिणाम देखोगे.
Mini contrast.
मैं करूँगा.
Means I will.
तुम करोगे.
Means you will. Change the person, change the phrase, keep the confidence. He will, she becomes, it becomes. Here comes the grammar parade. Relax, it sounds fancy, but it is really just organized gossip. He will is.
वो करेगा.
Example, he will help us.
वो हमारी मदद करेगा.
Example, he will come tomorrow.
वो कल आएगा.
She becomes is.
वो बनती है.
Example, every year, she becomes more confident.
हर साल वो बनती है और भी आत्मविश्वासी.
Example, in the story, she becomes a leader.
कहानी में वो बनती है एक नेता.
It becomes is.
ये बनता है.
Example, over time, it becomes easier.
समय के साथ ये आसान बनता है.
Example, when heated, it becomes soft.
गरम करने पर यह नरम बनता है.
Tiny joke break. In grammar class, even soup has a life story. First it is cold, then
ये बनता है.
hot, then somebody eats it. Tragic. We will and you all will. Time for teamwork. No one escapes the future now. We will is.
हम करेंगे.
Example, we will learn Hindi together.
हम साथ में हिंदी सीखेंगे.
Example, we will finish the work soon.
हम काम जल्द पूरा करेंगे.
You all will is.
तुम सब करोगे.
Example, I know you all will help.
मुझे पता है तुम सब मदद करोगे.
Example, you all will understand later.
तुम सब बाद में समझोगे.
Picture a teacher facing a noisy classroom and saying with heroic hope.
तुम सब करोगे.
The students stare back like sleepy owls, but deep down, maybe yes. They become. Let's finish the family photo with the group form for becoming. This one is useful, dramatic, and slightly inspirational. They become is.
वे बनते हैं.
Example, over time, they become friends.
समय के साथ वे बनते हैं दोस्त.
Example, in the story, they become heroes.
कहानी में वे बनते हैं नायक.
Example, they become strong with practice.
अभ्यास से वे बनते हैं मजबूत.
Memory image, a bunch of potatoes go to school and.
वे बनते हैं.
Professors. Academic excellence has never looked so starchy. Mini dialogue in a very dramatic classroom. Now hear the words in a silly little scene. Imagine intense background music for no reason. Teacher, today you all look worried. But listen.
तुम सब करोगे।
Student 1. Really?
मैं करूँगा।
The homework? That sounds suspicious. Teacher. Yes, and your friend too.
तुम करोगे।
Student 2. What about Raj? Teacher.
वो करेगा।
Eventually, after snacks. Student 3. And Mira? Teacher. With practice.
वो बनती है।
More confident every day. Student 4. And this difficult lesson? Teacher. Calm down.
ये बनता है।
Easier with practice. Class together. Then.
हम करेंगे।
Narrator voice. And slowly, after effort and probably too much tea.
वे बनते हैं।
Successful learners. Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of a game show contestant who absolutely guessed. What is become in Hindi?
बनना।
What is I will?
मैं करूँगा।
What is you will?
तुम करोगे।
What is he will?
वो करेगा।
What is she becomes?
वो बनती है।
What is it becomes?
ये बनता है।
What is we will?
हम करेंगे।
What is you all will?
तुम सब करोगे।
What is they become?
वे बनते हैं।
Your final challenge. Before we finish, try repeating these like a future speaking superstar. Slow and clear beats, fast and mumbled. Repeat after me.
बनना।
Repeat.
मैं करूँगा।
Repeat.
तुम करोगे।
Repeat.
वो करेगा।
Repeat.
वो बनती है।
Repeat.
ये बनता है।
Repeat.
हम करेंगे।
Repeat.
तुम सब करोगे।
Repeat.
वे बनते हैं।
Now one big motivational line. We will practice, and it becomes easier.
हम अभ्यास करेंगे और यह आसान बनता है।
Thanks and keep going. Nice work today. You learned a whole set of future and change expressions, and your Hindi brain is officially becoming dangerous. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
बनना। मैं करूँगा। तुम करोगे। वो करेगा। वो बनती है। ये बनता है। हम करेंगे। तुम सब करोगे।
And.
वे बनते हैं।
Come back, repeat aloud, and remember, little by little, learning.
ये बनता है।
Easier.